everyone, and welcome back to another video. On today's video I will be sharing with you 3 super cute and simple DIY notebook ideas, so stay tuned to see how these notebooks were made, and definitely do not forget to subscribe down below because we are so close to 2,000 subscribers. So for this first DIY notebook, I'm going to be using this hardcover notebook, but you could use a paperback notebook or whatever you have on hand. You will need to start off by drawing a square onto the notebook, leaving a frame around the sides because you're going to need to cut that out using an X-Acto knife. Once you have created the frame around your notebook, apply some glue to the frame. Now before the glue dries, just pour some glitter all over it so that you can make the frame really pretty and really glittery. And as you guys can see, I'm not wasting any of my glitter. I'm just going to pour that back into the bottle and let the notebook dry. And once the notebook has dried, I'm just going to cover that up with a layer of Mod Podge just to ensure that the glitter will stay in its place and not fall off everywhere. And now while that's drying, I'm going to get some of this plastic that I got from packaging. I'm going to cut out 2 squares that are the size of the frame of the notebook. Now that I have cut out my 2 pieces of plastic, I'm going to get this really cute sticker that says "Do not worry, be happy," and I'm going to stick that right onto one of the sheets of plastic. Then I'm going to get this really pretty chunky glitter. I'm going to pour a scoop of that on top of the film along with this really cute star chunky glitter mix. Now I'm going to get the other sheet of plastic and I'm going to pour hot glue onto the first sheet, as you guys can see, and I'm just going to glue that right on top, and I'm only going to glue the edges together. Now we have this really cute pouch of glitter and it's super satisfying to play with, but now I'm just going to stop playing with it and I'm just going to glue it right into the inside of the notebook. And just like that, we have our really cute and satisfying glitter DIY notebook. Now for the second notebook idea, I'm going to get this plain notebook. I'm going to start painting all over it with pink and purple paint. You could use whatever color paints you would like. Then once that is dry, just start sticking really cute stickers all over the cover of the notebook. I'm going to be using these really cute donut and coffee stickers, and that is our finished notebook. So for this last notebook, I'm going to be using this old notebook again, and I'm going to be getting some really cute patterned floral paper, and I'm going to cut it out to the size of the cover of the notebook. Then I'm going to get some light purple paint and I'm going to start painting the edge of the notebook just to cover up the old color of the notebook. And after that paint is dry, I'm going to glue on my piece of patterned paper. And this is the final product of our really easy to make notebook. And that was all that I have for you guys in today's video. Definitely do not forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications down below, and also stay tuned for upcoming videos that will be coming out in the future because you are definitely not going to want to miss them. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!